Riri kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini IEBC irathie na mbere na mihango ya guthurima maumirira ma githurano kinene kia mwaka uyu makiria gituro-ini kia mutongoria wa bururi. Ikundi itari cia githirikari ni irutite mukana kuri miaho itiganite ya Kenya Kwanza na Azimio La Umoja ikimenda makorwo meharirie gwitikira maumirira ma muthia ma githurano giki. Toria makanirirwo ni kamiti ya IEBC niguo guthaitira gucungiriria ndungumano gatagati ka arumiriri wangikorwo matigetikira maumirira macio.
Either one side has won or a rerun or whichever it will be, let us be ready to accept and move on. This country must move forward and we must be able to stand together united as a people because we have much bigger things to do after this election to build our country, to repair the borders that have been put between people so that we can build a stronger united Kenya.
Ikundi ici ningĩ nĩ imenereirie mũtugo ũrĩa ũkoretwo na atongoria kuma mĩahũ ĩno yerĩ ya kiuteti makihinyĩrĩria atĩ marĩ na ũma nĩo maiyũkĩtie ũhotani thĩinĩ wa gĩthurano gĩkĩ. Ikiuga ũndũ ũyũ waya gũgacũngĩrĩria ngũĩ gatagatĩ ka arũmĩrĩri wangĩkorwo maumĩrĩra ma mũthia matigathiĩ kũringana na ũrĩa makoretwo makiuga.
The messaging must be that this country has to move forward. This country is bigger than any of those political sides currently displaying that they have won the election. So we are calling on Kenyans to not be swayed by some of these persuasions. We are calling on Kenyans to trust and keep the faith in IEBC.
Itakuwa vigumu sana ikifika wakati matangazo yatafanywa kwa sababu we must have one winner. Now the way they have raised the emotions is that all of them are going to win. That means kutakuwa na tension na there might be violence if one of them is not announced as the winner.
Everybody is on the media is on social media with their own tally, with their own results and taking a stand that their preferred candidate has won. Then that contributes to a narrative that is not necessarily healthy to this country. So it's upon us to verify the information that we are sharing and to be very careful about what we are sharing.
Ikundi ici rĩu ithingatĩte atongoria na muingi kuhe mweke kamiti ya IEBC kũrĩkĩrĩria ũthũrimi wa maumĩrĩra maya. Kuona marĩ na nginya mũthĩ wa kerĩ kiumia gĩkĩ gũkorwo manĩrĩire maumĩrĩra ma mũthia kũringana na gatiba. Maya nĩo rĩrĩ imwe cia ikundi ici ciorotete kamiti ya IEBC kumana na ciĩko cia wagarari wa watho nĩ maabitha kamiti ĩno. Makiuga no nginya matacũkĩrio makinya ma kĩwatho nĩguo gũthaitĩra gwĩcokera gwa ciĩko ta ici ikoretwo ikĩyumĩria.
It's of great concern that these people who have been arrested are officials of the IEBC. Therefore, the IEBC has not come out to tell us what is going on. They must be transparent about what is going on and what is going on with their staff, because this directly undermines confidence in the results that are being announced by the IEBC if we're hearing that their own personnel, returning officers, presiding officers, deputy presiding officers, are among other things, colluding with external agents to subvert the results of the election.
So this time around, we are going to be exploring private prosecution because people have to be privately held to account over these electoral offenses. So this is the level to which we want to take this conversation so that in the future, no one will think about messing up with our elections again.
Ikundi ici ningĩ nĩciũkĩrĩire IEBC nĩ ũndũ wa kũmathutũkania kumana na arori a gĩthurano kuma mabũrũri ma nanja. Makiuga makoretwo makĩgirio kũingĩra nyũmba-inĩ ya Bomas kũrora ũrĩa mĩhang'o ĩno ĩratabanio na thengia wa gũkorwo marĩ na marũa marĩa magĩrĩire.
Like observers, the biggest problem, the major limitation we are getting when we are getting into many polling stations was the security officers standing on all the doors. While that is the work of the presiding officers. So that's basically what we are saying.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunyama.